Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kurnool Institute of Fashion Technology. Today's topic is on tops. I am going to show you different types of top models. Depending on the length of the top, the neck and the collar we have given, so on the cut, so many varieties of models will be there. So I'll show you now 20 types of top models. Okay. I have drawn a tubular top, stretched straight piece it will be. So when we wear it, it will come to the shape of the body. So this we call it as tubular model. So I am showing you now the crop top. The length of the top is short. This is crop top. This is above the abdomen part, means the stomach part will be visible. So this is crop top. We call this one as crop top. It can be worn under palazzos or the gagras or the skirts, anything. So this we call it as short top. Empire cut, because this cut we call it as empire cut. ఈ పాయింట్ బస్ట్ కింద లైన్ కట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఎంపైర్ కట్ ట్యూనిక్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ ట్యూనిక్ స్టైల్ విత్ ఎంపైర్ కట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టైల్ షో కమిజోల్. దిస్ ఈస్ కమిజోల్ ఆర్ స్ట్రాప్స్ టాప్, వీ కెన్ కాల్ దిస్ వన్ యాజ్. స్ట్రాప్స్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ కమీజ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కమిజోల్ టాప్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టైల్ షో ద ప్రిన్సెస్ కట్ టాప్. This cut we call it as princess cut. So this is princess cut top. I have given a short top with princess cut. So this is princess cut style. And next I show the boxy style top, because this is a very loose top and we call it as box because it won't have any shape. The shape is like box, it won't have any shape. And this is boxy style. We call this top as boxy style, boxer type. So this is boxy style. This model we call it as raglan. Depending on the cut of the sleeve, this we call it as raglan because the sleeves are raglan. So we call this top also as raglan top. Particularly armhole will not be there. This type of cut sleeves. So these raglan sleeves we have given. So this is raglan top. Next one, shirt style. Shirt model type. Because of the collar, shirt collar and the cuffs, so it looks like shirt cutting. So shirt model top. This is alternate top, alternate because the straps will be from below armhole of the front neck to the back. It will be tied at the back. The upper part of the back is uncovered. So the straps runs from the front to back of the neck. This model we call it as alternate. This is kurti style. This can be long, short. So kurtis tunic model, so we call this one. So this model is kurti style. It can be worn on jeans or the palazzos or anything. So this model we call it as kurti style. And this model we call this as cape top. So this is cape. We can have sleeves or without sleeves. It can be the round circular part around the neck. This we call it as cape. So this is cape top. And this top we call it as batwing top because it will have the loose armholes. You won't have cut at the armhole level and the body is attached to the sleeves and you will have the very loose armhole. So the body is directly attached to the hem edge of the sleeve. So very loose it will be. So this we call it as batwing top, or with the dolman sleeves also we call this one. So this is batwing top. The next model I am showing you the keftan variety. This is keftan variety model. So this part we call it as keftan because it is cut from the shoulders. You don't have to add sleeves. If you want you can add, but you don't need to have sleeves. And you will have this ruffle like or frills you will give at the shoulder line, from the shoulder line to the bottom hemline. So this model we call it as keftan. This is asymmetric top. This model we call it as asymmetric top because it won't have a symmetrical line at the hemline. And the hemline will be up and down, means one edge it will be up and one edge it is down. So this type of cut we call it as asymmetric cut top. Okay. And the other one I am going to show you the high low top. High low top means the front part of the hem is above and the bottom part of the top hemline will be down. So this model we call it as high low model top. And I have given a cold shoulder also for this. So this is high low top. Okay. Next, this is one shoulder top. So we have only one shoulder even the asymmetric neck, because you won't have a shoulder at the side, and I have given a bell sleeve at one side. So this is asymmetric shoulder, or asymmetric neck also we can call it as, and this is one shoulder top. This model we call it as cowl neck. It will have the folds, means drapes will be there at the front, and it is the cowl neck top. You will have so much of folds at the neck part. This is peplum top. We call this model as peplum top because at the waist part the frills will be there. So up to waistline or below waistline the cut will be there, and at the bottom hem edge of that top we have the frills or ruffles or anything. So such type of pleats we give at the waist part. This model we call it as peplum top. And this is shoulderless, or you won't have any shoulder. This is like tube only. You can have an elastic or frills or anything at the above chest line. So from the bust it will be, you won't have the shoulder. The shoulders are uncovered. So this type we call it as shoulderless top. Okay. Wrap over top. This is wrap over top. Two contrast colors I have taken, and this is wrapped over this layer. So this is wrap over style. I have given a tie up. We can tie up here, or you can give a button also. So this style we call it as wrap over style top. This is maxi style. So you will have the long top. So this we call it as the long top. I have given a collar also. So this model we call it as long top or the maxi style top. Okay, this is with the long length. Okay, so these are all the 20 types of tops I have shown you. So 20 varieties of top styles I have shown you now.